Hey, and welcome to another quick eyeshadow pictorial. I centered this eye look around a new multichrome eyeshadow I recently purchased from NBA Cosmetics called Rainbow Tutu. It's such a gorgeous color, but my pictures do not do it any justice. The shift on this is stunning. To start off, I primed my eyes with my Louise Base in Rumor 05. I then picked up my Sigma Enchanted palette and placed the color Innocent all over my socket and crease. To darken my lower crease, I jumped into the color Terra and applied that to my lower crease area. To add some depth, I used Claystone on my outer V. I then applied a tacky base and put Rainbow Tutu all over it, blending it into Claystone. To further darken my outer V, I lightly went into Wicked, which is a matte black. For my lower lash line, I jumped back into Claystone. And for my waterline, I used a Multichrome eyeliner from Sheglam called Vertigo. To add a pop of sparkle on my inner corner, I went into Moonglade, and for my brow bone, I used Sunburst. And now this is my finished look. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.